Santa Ana, Cagayan is a land overflowing with possibilities. It has been called Untouched Paradise, gateway to the Pacific, Luzon's last frontier, and marine sanctuary. It is well known not just for its online casino, but also for its numerous stunning locations. From its crystal blue ocean, rock formations, and white coral beach, to the lush green forest, rolling hills, and lovely colonial architecture, mystical caverns, and loving people, the area is a screaming beauty. From secluded beaches of the Philippines to the most popular ones, here are the top beaches to explore in Santa Ana, Cagayan. ANGUIB Beach. ANGUIB Beach is a long coast in Santa Ana, Cagayan. It has been called the Boracay of the North. Because of its similarities to Boracay, it is considered one of the most beautiful beaches in the northeastern region of the Philippines. It features powdery white sand, clear blue water, and mountain ranges with lush green flora. The waves at ANGUIB Beach are normally soft and shallow, making it perfect for swimming for people of all ages, especially children. Its surrounding ocean is also home to a vibrant aquatic life. Below the surface, a variety of fish, shells, corals, and other invertebrates may be observed, and snorkeling and diving are encouraged. Snorkeling equipment as well as kayaks and boats for island hopping and paddling may be hired on the spot. NANGARAMOAN Beach. NANGARAMOAN Beach crystal blue ocean, white coral and rock formations, and lush green forest is highly recommended for those who enjoy the sun, sand, and beach. Staying at NANGARAMOAN Beach is absolutely amazing, despite the fact that the area is not as developed as other popular and relaxing beaches in the Philippines. On top of that, NANGARAMOAN is the benefit of having few visitors, making it a great place to enjoy a stress-free getaway from the crowds and beach activities. RUBO Beach. RUBO is a quite comfortable resort located in the beautiful Santa Ana, Cagayan. It is conveniently situated away from congestion and crowds and surrounded by beautiful tropical trees and wide white sand for different family or company gatherings. It provides you a refreshing experience with charming blue sky and long white sand. You have enough space for different company or family activities, and you can also just stroll down the shore while breathing fresh air with the gentle water waves in your ears. POZO RUBO definitely brings unforgettable experience when you visit the place. MASETA White Sand Beach. Aside from beautiful white sand, these beach resorts have wonderful panoramic sea views, white seas, sunset vistas, and some have less crowded shorelines for the ideal relaxing holiday. The beach is great for swimming since the sea is quiet and the water is crystal clean. On the island, you may also snap breathtaking sunsets. You might also try strolling down the shore, snapping photographs, collecting seashells for a gift, or simply resting or reclining on the beach as if meditating.